Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In this video, we will do a quick discussion about the latest update on the HAL's Light Combat Helicopter. These choppers, which are being designed and developed by Rotary Wing Research and Design Center and manufactured by HAL, have been ordered by both Indian Air Force and Indian Army. As per the latest update, looks like HAL has sent two of their light combat helicopter prototypes to eastern Ladakh near China border to perform patrol tasks along with the imported Boeing Apache helicopters. Both these prototypes of LCH were said to be equipped with 20 mm M621 cannon and 70 mm rockets. These prototypes were flown to Ladakh last weekend from HAL, and it has been doing armed patrol sorties between Leh and other air bases, including forward area in Ladakh. It's not just the Boeing Apache which is giving company to these LCH. Even the Indian Army's Rudra armed helicopters have been deployed in this region, and it has been operating from the forward bases. Just to revisit the deal and production history of this India's indigenous chopper, the LCH was declared ready for production in Feb 2020, and an exclusive light combat helicopter production hangar was established at HAL's helicopter division in Bangalore. In June 2020, it was announced that the first batch of LCH choppers ordered is due to enter the service very soon, and seeing the prototype now near eastern Ladakh makes me feel that this is indeed a very good progress. These choppers is a multi-role combat helicopter designed to perform various attack profiles, including relatively high altitude flight. The speciality of this particular helicopter is that it has a tandem cockpit to accommodate a pilot and a co-pilot or gunner. These helicopters have been developed to perform both anti-infantry and anti-armor missions. If we see quickly the order history, Indian Air Force and Indian Army Air Corps was authorized to place an order of 15 LCH, which is referred to as the limited series production. Out of these 15 limited series production, 10 of them would be for the Indian Army Air Corps and 5 of them are for Indian Air Force. The order for these 15 limited series production is expected to be placed by end of this year. And as per the defense sources, it looks like HAL is planning to deliver these 15 choppers by end of 2020 tentatively, and post that they would be working on the 114 LCH orders of Army Air Corps and 65 LCH order of Indian Air Force. So let's expect HAL is on the track in delivering these 15 choppers, which is the limited series production, by end of 2020, and then starts manufacturing the rest of the orders for Indian Army and Indian Air Force. So that was a quick update on HAL's light combat helicopter performing patrol along China border near eastern Ladakh with the most powerful Boeing Apache helicopters and HAL Rudra. This is indeed a great news for Indian defense sources and HAL. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.